Alright, this is software that comes with the Mars Pro. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Chitubox. And it comes with version 1.62 on there. I had problems with that. It caused problems with all of my C++ stuff, and to where I couldn't open up any other program. So I had to go back and reinstall all that stuff. Could have been something I did. Could have been software. I don't know. I'm pretty proficient, so but regardless. I upgraded to 1.70 and it seems to work a whole lot better. So today I'm going to quickly go through how to import an STL file and slice it and get it ready to print. Once you open up your software, which you should already have installed, just go up to the top left there and click open. Not open project, but click open. And it'll look for STL, OBJ, all different types of files that are 3D related. Just click whichever one you want. In this case, I'm going more than one. Open. It'll put them all in there for you. You see the red area here? Those are the areas that are outside the printing range. If it's blue or whatever color yours is, then it's in the printing range. So you have here. So we need to stand all these up first thing. Go to the left to rotate, and each one of these rings represents a direction you can rotate it. We're going to want to stand them up straight, so flip it all the way around that way. And look on the left screen over there, it should be a 270, should be straight up and down. Look and see, it is. See, it's green on the bottom there. That means it's got contact all the way around. So you're straight. Rotate again. Same thing with this one. I don't know why they all imported like this. They usually don't. Again, watch the left over there until you get 270. If you want to get close, you can use little arrows over there. And so on and so on. Just check underneath. See how green on every one of them. That's good. Stand these up. Might not be able to get them all in the bed. We'll try. The good thing about SLA printing is unlike FDM printing, it's no matter how much stuff you put on the bed, it takes the same amount of time to print. It doesn't increase your print time at all, which is really kind of cool. And there might be another quicker way with the software to do this, but this is the way I came across. So if somebody knows anything better than this, let me know. Move. Center. Same thing with this piece here. Stand it up. top here, just think there's an auto range right here. So it'll sort out where all the pieces are going to fit. Centered. This is your distance in between the pieces here that you want to have the minimum of. And you can change that to whatever you want. If you need more room, you can go down to whatever you want to. It all depends on what you're doing, what parts there are. Okay, so what it did was it fit all 6 pieces on here for us. And see right here we have a problem with this one, it's not sitting flat. The rest of them are all green, that's good. Yeah, this one's not. Let's see what's going on with it. If you don't get that fixed, it won't stick to the thing on the bottom, the build plate. Okay, see what I did there? Instead of sitting there trying to monkey around with it, all you have to do is hit flatten by face and rotate right here. And go down and touch the face that you want to flatten it by. It'll make it go level to the bed. Alright, so we got all our pieces there. That's, what's that? Still short a couple. A bunch of pawns and knights, so we'll have to do a couple, multiple prints. But anyway, should be enough for now. Alright, so once you get everything situated on your one there, you get it centered, you get everything how you want it, you don't want to add nothing else to it, and you're going to go ahead and, I want to run through my slicer settings real quick and see what's going on here. I haven't messed with these yet since I got the thing. That's where you can put anything you need to know about your resin in there. I figured there'd be more information there, but it doesn't look like it. Alright, your standard stock already changes once. Your stock layer height is 0.05. That's your safe default layer. I dropped it down to 0.04 this time. It should smooth the pieces out a little bit. I also slowed down my the bottom lift speed and the lifting speed and the retracting speed. I brought these down 10 and brought that down 20. It just seems like it's just too fast to me. I could be wrong, but we'll find out in this print. Exposure time, I left that alone. 6 seconds per layer, 50 seconds on the bottom layers, and 8 bottom layers. It seems like a lot, but that's standard. And fill, none, or you can use Grid 3D, which is like a square, like a honeycomb type, but squares, which adds strength to the parts you got. G-code, once you get better with it, you can mess with that. Right now, I'd probably leave it alone. And I don't mess with any of this stuff. I just left it like it is because I don't really know what it is yet. So if you get all your settings screwed up and you're not sure, just click default and it'll put them all back to where they were. So when you get that done, hit slice. And just verify on the bottom here that your settings that you changed, if you did or didn't, for this. And we got the 0.04 layer height here, which I changed, so that's right. And the speed has been changed also, so everything I changed is there. So now all you need to do is save it to, I'm going to save it to the desktop and then put it on an SD card. You can save it directly to an SD card if you want to also. It's your choice. Or apparently you can send it over a network also, so if you have your printer on the network, you can. Hit save. And you want to save it as a CTB file if you have a Mars Pro. If not, your particular printer will have like a Photon series printers that have their own extension, file extension. So if you're using a Mars Pro, it's CTB. And hit save. And it'll write the file. It's not extremely fast all the time, but there's a lot going on here. It's to slice the whole thing up into layers. Alright, now it says write successfully, and you can open the folder. That means everything's done like it's supposed to be and you're good. One thing I didn't show you was this. After you slice it, it tells you right here, volume is 30.13 milliliters. That's how much of your resin you need to put in your vat to print that. And I would always stick a little, I would round it up to 40. So you have a little extra in there just in case. But it does tell you how much you need, how much you're going to use here. So just make note of that. Don't just fill your vat up, like I said in the video before this, just fill it to max. That's not good to do. It's messy too, unless you're printing something really big. Plus, you can't see the part until it comes out of that stuff, so out of the resin while it's printing. So if there's a problem, you won't know it till probably, you know, a couple hours into your print, if you fill it all the way up. So, alright, that's it for the software end of it. I'm going to set up the printer now and get it printing.